Active Investor here, bringing you another independent analysis, and this time we're taking a look at Valeant Pharmaceuticals with a one-day chart. Each of these candles representing 1 day of trading. So we go back a few weeks on this chart, but really I want to take a look at the price action that occurred today. So ironically, in order to do that, let's look at what the price action was before today. So I'm going to draw a line here separating today's price action with the price action that we've had the last few days. So you can see everything on the right of this yellow area, just ignore that. And I want to take a look down here at the relative strength index. So you can see that on the RSI, we were actually bearish. When we broke through the 80 line, we were bearish. And we almost broke through the 20 line. Our fast moving average did dip under there, but the slow moving average kind of bounced off. And then the fast moving average also bounced off and crossed above the slow. So that's a bullish sign. And the fast moving average being above the 80 is also bullish. But we want that red slow moving average to catch up. We want both those to be above the 80 line. So I'm sorry, I said ignore everything on the right of this yellow line. And I guess we are looking at everything on the entire chart now. So looking at the price action today as well, we already covered that the RSI is starting to leg up. So that's bullish. We want to see both lines above here. And that said, let's also take a look at yesterday's one-day candle, which is actually a doji, and it is a what's it called? Dragonfly doji. So that's actually one of the most bullish dojis that you can have. And very interestingly enough, right after that doji occurred, Valeant ran just about 10%. It closed at 9.62%, and at the high of the day, it was up over 10%. Kind of wore off at the end of the day, but still a really good day for Valeant Pharmaceuticals. It changed the whole entire overall trend. You know, we were starting to leg down, starting to look bearish, but this thing just kicked right back up, and it's starting to look really bullish now. Now that said, we have one area of heavy resistance right here, which is basically the $39 mark. You can see we've tested it 1, 2, and now 3 times. So technically we have formed a triple top on this, which is a bearish reversal pattern. But overall, with the indicators looking as bullish as they are, and the fact that we had that doji, I'm thinking that we might break the $39 mark, which would be the first time that we've broken that mark since Valeant really lost half its share price way back here when it was trading in the $70 area. So if we break that $39 mark, it's going to be very significant for Valeant, and then you'd be looking at resistance right around $44 or so. That's what the cloud's telling us. So it's looking pretty good to me. We just got to really break this $39 mark. Like I said, it is a triple top, so be careful. It is a bearish reversal sign, but there's still a lot of bullishness in this overall trend now. So Valeant could be looking for that swing to about $44. And if it does hit that, you'd be looking at a gap up starting, because we do want to see the price make its way back up to the $70 range, but I'm not saying that's going to happen anytime soon. It's going to take a lot of work to get up there, but there is a lot of gap up potential for Valeant Pharmaceuticals, and to start that gap up, we need to break the $39 area and turn it into support. So that could be starting to happen now. Keep an eye out on VRX. I know I'm going to, and hopefully we turn 39 to support this week. We still have 3 days of trading left, so it's very viable that could happen. Anyway, guys, it's a pretty short video today, but I hope it helped you out if you're into VRX, Valeant Pharmaceuticals. And if not, you know, just interesting to watch out for. And I'll catch you on the next video. Take care.